This one's broke. But it kind of looks a little Daltonish. I don't know. See some ears. It may be flipped the wrong way. That may be the base. It may be a blunt. I don't know. We'll find out. But yeah, that's what it is. It's just a blunt. I get the base snapped on it. But the way I was looking at it was like that. I was like, oh, cool. But no, just a little blunt. First one of the day. Later. Okay, so Alabama Jones did his Foo Dog Challenge. So here's my female Boston Terrier. This is Oreo. Oreo, what are you doing? What are you doing? Say hi to the camera. Hi. And then that's Amos. Amos. Those two are mine. And then this little runt, Doodle. Hi.
Look at his leg.
Doodle.
Oh my God.
Say, I'm cold. See, it's so cold. But that's our doggy Foo Challenge. Oreo, what are you doing? Say, I'm glad all those puppies are gone. Anyway, I'm going to show you what my wife got me.
Beautiful. Yeah.
My beautiful wife. This is the early Paleo Point t-shirt. 12,000 years before, present, and earlier. It's got all of the points. Got great detail. Cumberland. Clovis fluted.
Did you get something made out of that piece of clay?
And at the bottom, tells all of it. Had a hard time finding these shirts because the owners of the copyright are not doing so well down in Florida, from what I've been told. So I actually got these at Angel Mounds here in Indiana. It's just got awesome detail on all of them. Talks about all of them. And then the one that I really wanted, since I am from Indiana, it's all the Indiana points. Indiana projectile points. And they're all numbered. And at the top and on the sides they have all of the names. Our youngest got a pottery wheel and she's trying to figure out how to do it.
I've never worked with clay either, baby. You don't press it real hard.
Very, very cool. And on the back of this, it's got a whole bunch more of arrowheads that we find in Indiana. There's my little Fox Valley that I did the other day. That one. Several of them I've got, several of them I don't. Several of them I'll never see. Some of you guys have probably seen these shirts before.
I'm so glad we got this underwear. Oh, that's embarrassing.
And for those of you that just heard Maddie, she said she's so excited that she got new underwear for Christmas. And then the new group that I'm promoting, no, I'm not promoting, but really cool group. It's called In This Moment. If you like hard rock, heavy stuff,
Cold.
they're pretty good. So, but then I got a bunch of stuff over there. More work. New ceiling fan and Paul Dean cookware. KitchenAid mixer. Alright, Oreo, say happy hunting. Oh yeah, I forgot to do one more thing.
My makeup kit.
No, not your, here, you're going to get your makeup kit. You're not on camera, I'm just showing your makeup kit. Maddie's makeup kit. My hunting days are gonna be over here. I'm gonna go hit the creeks one more time before we have a blizzard warning out for us. Amos, get back, buddy.
Do you know what this is? Is it like a cream eyeshadow or something?
But the blizzard warning. Southern Illinois, immediate Evansville area, Ohio River, 8 to 11 inches of snow with more possible. They're saying anywhere from 10 to 15 inches of snow tonight. So absolutely crazy. So I'll get some of that later. Bye. Well, this is what it looks like the next day. As you can see, we ended up with about a foot of snow. So it's quite a bit of snow. But when all of it melts, creeks be good, fields be good, but it's going to take every bit of probably a week because it's not supposed to get any warmer. So later. Alright, back in my pond of pebbles. I don't know what this thing is. I've seen it a couple times. It's bone. Anybody know what that thing could be? It's kind of hard to see. It's all covered up. But it's big. Got a hole in it right there. I don't know if it's like some kind of vertebrae off of a dinosaur maybe? I don't know. Not so sure what the heck it is. Like I said, it's got a hole right there. I don't know if that would be like a vertebrae off of something's back or something like that. Okay, those like little tentacle things coming off of it. So, I don't know what it is. Suggestions later. Well, got up to go pee. And this is what it looks like out now. I don't know, we don't have a whole lot of snow yet, but it's blowing out there pretty bad though. Dumping though, snow is. Open the door and look. Yeah, it's dumping. Oh well, at least the kids, they enjoy the sledding. Later.